Celoletna naročnina samo $2640, revija Naš dom.
We know you got something major coming down, soon.
The only thing that catches me up is doing my magic act.
What's the fifth alarm? We cannot run it down.
This is payday. It is over.
If you do what I say, I run you. There is no discussion.
Kriminalka Tat. V nedeljo ob 22. na Pop TV.
How come people go on dates?
Oh, to get to know somebody. Find out what they're like.
Kathy owns her own business.
Really, I'm not sleeping with this guy yet.
Oh, really? So how come you're taking your diaphragm?
If you want to use my new place, it's available.
Your new apartment? When we get inside, could you just hang out here for a couple of seconds?
Why?
Well, just in case the apartment is messy.
You don't remember what it was like when you left?
No, I don't.
Well, well, David Morgan.
Hi.
It's been months.
Yeah.
Eat shit.
What did you do to her?
Why do women always assume that it's the man?
David, can I help?
No, I got it.
Laž ima kratke noge, ljubezen pa dolg nos v komediji Težave na zmenku.
What's your exact situation, Paul?
The bulkhead's holding, the reactor's shut down. We're on battery power with 90% capacity.
What are the chances of a nuclear accident?
Crushing will not cause a nuclear accident, sir.
Whatever it takes, we'll get him out of there.
Akcijski spektakel Atomska podmornica. V petek ob 14:30 na Pop TV.
Motel. My name's Norman Bates.
Will you leave me alone, Mother? Will you leave me alone?
Film, čigar konca ne dočaka vsakdo živ. Psiho 3. V petek ob 23. na Pop TV.